Migao mar thieth e bwo bad migao mar malaria oyango chanjo mar malaria kaka achiel kuom chanjo mochuno ne nyithindo mani piny mar higni 2 modak e counties 8 e sub counties 51 ma oluoro nam Lolwe. Mae kaluwore kod dwaro mar Kenya National Immunization Technical Advisory Group kotudore kod duol mochung' ne thieth e piny mangima World WHO ma koni gisetemo chanjo gi pinje 3 kendo gin gigeno ni gibiro duoko piny thoe momondo mag nyithindo mani piny mar higni 5 e alwora mag nam Lolwe kayare higa mag 2019. Chanjo ni nochiwo e sub counties 26 kende. Sani sub counties 25 mamoko medi.
Vaccination into these 25 additional sub-counties because of the benefit that has been seen with the vaccine. The vaccine has reduced the cases of severe malaria and particularly admissions into hospital, and therefore it is recommended that this vaccine be used especially in these areas where there is a high transmission of malaria. These are areas in the lake region, the lake endemic zone, which have a very high transmission rate of malaria and also have a high risk of severe malaria, particularly for those children who are under 5 years of age.
The entire story of vaccination beyond the first year of life has been a challenge to the Ministry of Health in this country and all others. They do very well until the first birthday. Then it becomes more difficult and less frequent. So not just malaria, an overall advice that we must reconfigure how we deliver vaccines.